Hey guys, I just want to share this pretty bracelet I got. It's adjustable with the H, reminiscent of a certain designer. And what I really like about this is that it's big enough for my thick wrists. I think this goes to 23 centimeters loosely. Good for the guys and the gals. If you've got a thin wrist, you can pull these threads longer or shorter, depending on what you want. I like a bit of a loose feel, so I've put mine out a bit. It's fairly easy to adjust. You can do it by yourself without the assistance of your partner or friend. So this is made with stainless steel coated with gold, I imagine. And the rope, it says titanium rope steel. I'm not sure if it's real titanium or not, but it looks good. It's adjustable. It's a nice gift. It comes in the black that I have here, but it also comes in like an all gold thread and a red thread and also a white thread. I'll take this off to give you a better close-up. I could even peel it off right now, I guess. Well, I'll take it off. There we go. It has these silicone parts inside that suck on to the rope so that it stays in place. Yeah, very nice design. I don't know if the original H brand actually makes this item or not, but it certainly looks nice. Sorry, I'm out of focus here. There you go. Nice little piece, I think. I'm very much enjoying this. Recommend.